slightly drizzling when we left the car.
Still slightly.
Jax had his raincoat on, but I did not. I said it's going to take how long before one of us puts it on and one takes it off. Sangre de Cristos. About just less than 2 miles in, Jax was schooling me on the hike. I told him we needed to switch packs. Or the mom, who's been awake since yesterday working all night, is gonna have to stop halfway. So we switched packs. He says it's not heavier. I say this one's way lighter. Now it's raining again. Jack's ascending Swift Creek.